men wey be say dem born pikin because say maybe dem with the woman no dey again, dem no like to come train their pikin, dem no like to take care of their pikin. This one na message wey our sister bring for all these men wey dey do this kind thing. Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. True Dreams with Lady T is your sister, your friend is your girl. If this is your first time, you just dey get post for YouTube or you dey watch, you never subscribe, please hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you can watch more of our videos, or you go just know anytime we put video for here. Thank you so much for coming around again, and God bless you, God bless you. So today we wan talk about this story. This story na story wey be say e happen about 10 years ago. I know this story and I no really know say na so e take happen, though I hear some rumor that time, but na now the final truth come out. And this our sister, she know say I know this story. That's why she bring the story to me, say make I talk am. No be say she need opinion or encouragement, she don already move on with her life, but she just say make she just put am for other people to learn, especially men, so that they will learn how to take care of their children, whether their children na e come anyhow the pikin take come, as far as say na your pikin, you know say na your blood, take care of that child, because you no know pikin wey go do for you tomorrow. Maybe that one wey you just dey take care of, maybe that one fit not do anything for you. Maybe that one wey be say you no take care of, maybe na that one go come take care of you tomorrow. So this matter be say how e take start. This our sister, she dey Europe with this guy, they come dey date. So may I just tell you, I know the story, but may I just talk how she take explain to me, though I know say both of them dey date. So as they date, from there they come dey run show, no, the guy dey do oil money. So this guy dey do oil money, this lady come dey help this guy dey do oil money. Then they never born, they just be boyfriend and girlfriend. So the according to this our sister, e say im dey help her. I go no go mention many things because of security purpose. He said that time im dey help this the baby father, that time they never born, dey do oil money. Im dey help am, dey carry go here, carry go there, do this, do that, and they really dey together. He say from there the okra wey be say the brother plant, e come grow, which is belle come enter. He say so the guy come say make he leave am, say he wan marry am. If you see this our sister, so beautiful sister like that, he say so he come leave am. He say when he come leave am, then he come born the pikin for the country wey he dey, because the brother dey another country, he dey another country, dem no dey the same country. So he come born the pikin for the country wey she dey, because she get documents, the brother no get documents. So as he born the pikin, then he go see carry the pikin go meet the man. He still leave the house for the country wey he dey, and if the baby wan take vaccination or whatever she wan do, she'll still come back, do wetin she wan do. Then she'll still go back to this man wey be say she born for. They dey together, they just dey live like husband and wife. You know say we African, once person don born for man, they don dey live together. Na husband and wife we dey call them. So they don dey live as husband and wife. So he say one day, let me come tell am say, okay, that time when you get belle, you even still do this oil money with am. He say he no do. He say but the guy dey do. He say then after he don born, then the guy come tell am say, oh yeah, come continue the oil money. He say come tell am say he no dey do oil money again. He say because he don born, he need to take care of him pikin. Na oil money go do all him life. This is the time for her to face her life, face her marriage. Anything oil money, he no get hand for inside, and he advise you to remove your hand for this oil money. If you don take wey person carry, person go still drop load. He say come dey advise this our brother like that. This our brother say no, he must do the oil money, oh, she must do am. You know the thing come dey bring quarrel for am, for them. He say come say no, like this oil money, like he no go do. He say no come do the oil money. So the guy come dey vex, all those things, small thing, come dey vex, any small thing e don vex. He say so one day na the guy come dey tell am say you need to, you know say you need to go back to the country wey you dey, because the country wey this our sister dey na there be the major part where this our brother for dey do this oil money. He say so na there be the major part. Say he come dey tell am say you no go go so so place. Say he come say if you like to go, he come say okay I go buy ticket for you. He come say no problem, thank you. He say he come buy ticket for them because wetin she wan still go do, be like say na baby wan give vaccination or, and me I no make mistake, I don forget that part, but na something important he wan go do for the country wey she dey, be like say maybe na still document he wan give the baby document, something like that. So he say come arrange the bag. He say as he arrange the bag, he see say the guy dey do oil money matter for corner for house. He say no even mind already, they don already, he don already tell am say anything oil money he no get hand again. He say so he arrange the bag finish, he drop bag, then he come comot. Then when e don reach time for am to comot, then he carry bag carry pikin, na he comot. He say as he reach the country wey he dey, he say na so all of them just, all the authority people, they just gather her like cats. They come dey tell her say where you put am, where you put am. He come say he no carry anything. Say he come say you carry, you no fit talk say you no carry, where you put am. Say he come say nothing like that, he no carry anything oil money. He say the security people na so they carry am go one room, na so they come scatter all about. Say being na say clear conscience fear no evil. Say he no fear anything. He say he come surprise when he reach where pampers dey, they just open pampers, they just see oil money for pampers. Oil money for pampers. Because when we hear this rumor that time, I hear say she dey follow her husband dey do am, say as he go do am na so they take gbaba, na so me take hear the rumor that time. He say she no do. He say as they come see am for pampers, he say he wey be say he dey do the thing before, he no dey so stupid to come say he go come carry the oil money put for pampers. Say she no be stupid person, no. Say he no fit do that kind thing now. He say na there they for see am. He say before you know wetin dey happen na so they take carry her o, and baby dey with am. Now they come talk say they wan call social, make they come carry pikin. Now he come tell them say abeg make he call his sister, make his sister come carry pikin, because he know as the country wey he dey be, if social carry pikin, na be say that pikin na okpari, they no go see the pikin again. They take the grace of God to see this pikin. He say come call him aunty. Aunty come o, see wetin dey happen, and where the aunty dey and where the airport dey, e dey very very far. Before the aunty roll come roll say make e reach there, those people no fit wait again, na so they take carry pikin give person. Aunty reach there, they say they don already carry pikin give social, say they no fit wait, say e waste time to connect. She say where she from dey come far, na so pikin matter take go. Even that time all of us dey shout, hey wetin be this o, which kind thing be this? He say before you know wetin dey happen, then they carry her, they put her for kirikiri. She come dey kirikiri, they cry for her life, they cry for the pikin. Come say why this the father of the baby go set her up like this because of quarrel, because he believe say na set up be this. Why? Because he say he no go do again. Why he go do it like this? You know, he say come dey cry. He come say they cry for pikin. So the sister come try to fight for her and fight to get the pikin. Come be double fighting. He say they come dey drag am, dey drag am, dey drag am, dey drag am, dey drag am. Abeg this video, I no just want anybody leave bad comment at all, because some videos wey I dey do, I dey see bad comment. I dey always dey tell people say anybody wey bring im matter come here, the person na good person. The person wan do eye opener for other people to learn. So na no fit come dey throw bad word to anybody wey be say e bring matter come say hey, e do like this, e do like that. No. If you keep am, many people, all this kind of thing don happen to them, they don shock it down for inside house. Nobody use am learn. Something dey happen for person to learn. If una come dey throw bad word to people, nobody go dey bring their own come and make people dey learn from inside. Because bringing them to this platform, they no dey gain anything. I no get any money wey I dey give them. Even me wey dey bring am concept, I still dey do as eye opener to you wey dey watch me, and to me wey dey talk am. People wey dey bring am come, na dey even do the best. Na they do the best, because they bring out to, because they can just keep it to themselves as many people they do, and they not go bring her come out. Nothing they happen. You know, will go hold them, you know, go ask them why they not bring her come out. So if they bring her come out, I know say some they horrible, terrible somehow, but you still try. They constructive in your, you feel to say what you do so e no good, but not be say you come they just they put petrol for fire again. He say so na so the sister come try to fight and do everything. Dem no fit carry the pikin back, the thing hard, so dem come fight house arrest for this our sister. Come your dey for house. So as e dey house, so na there come dey fight for im pikin, dey fight for im pikin. We come thank God at the end dem come fit dey let am dey see, carry pikin come dey see am once in a while. Na so she come take finish all this thing wey dem say she wan stay. After she finish am, then dem come tell am say to give am the pikin now, e come be another wahala, because the court talk say first of all you go work, how much you dey receive, where your apartment, different things na dem come dey bring come out, because dem no wan give you your pikin. And if you see this pikin na black pikin, but e be like half caste. E fine pass half caste pikin. This pikin too fine, e too fine. So that time I even see call am say this your pikin, God go make dem give you, because that pikin too fine. No say e go enter their eye. He say na prayer wey she dey pray that time, and I come really thank God. Dem come give am the pikin. So when dem give am this pikin, dem come want make dem collect this pikin back again. And she come see like that, and she dey start up a new life again. She no know wetin she go do. Now she come say okay, make she first carry this pikin go back to house, because that time the pikin document don even come expire. But e come carry the pikin go back to Nigeria. Come say if e don dey okay, e go carry the pikin come back. So the pikin come dey with im family for Nigeria. All this time wey be say she take dey kirikiri, come take dey for house, come carry pikin go Nigeria. The baby father no care. He no ask of the pikin. He no care about this pikin again. She just come dey on her own. Now the next thing, the baby father come carry another woman. That woman come born 2 children for am. And that 2 children wey this woman born for am, so he come carry dem go another country, make dem go papa maternal. And the first one papa, the second one papa. So the 2 children, no one dey bear im name. Na only this our sister own na dey bear im name. So when this guy come dey, this little boy come dey Nigeria, the mother wey come be say she don dey stand small to come bring am come back, e come be another yawa, because the country, that country wey she dey, so if I talk say dem wan give you doku and you born for the country with that your pikin, dem no go give you. Dem tell you say before dem go give you, you need to bring your pikin come. Na wetin dem dey do for that country be that. So e come dey try to bring this pikin come back and fight for im document so that he go fit do normal job. He do. No way. She dey spend money. Pikin no fit enter house. He come even call this pikin papa say, you no fit abandon this pikin. Try support me for this pikin. He say make he no call am o, she is on her own. Make he no call am, she is on her own. And so the guy come dey talk am. Even that time sef when be say me hear the matter, say see wetin happen to this our sister, I even still hear say the man say no be him send na, he no know whether he even go do anything like that. I still hear am that time, though na rumor, na so people dey carry rumor. He say na so she come fight. He come fit bring this pikin come, and now this pikin don grow. Wetin I dey talk na, this pikin now he go dey that kind 13 years now or 14 years if I'm not mistaken. Now the baby, the boy dey now. He don grow, handsome, cute boy like that. And as he come bring her, God come stand for this our sister. She come get back her documents. They come give this pikin back his documents. So everything don dey fine with her. She don come move on with her life. She come marry somebody else. She dey live happily with the person. One day, let this man call say, the pikin need the pikin o. The pikin need to come give her document. Then come say, which document this pikin wan give you? Document wey you fight for, abi document wey you give this pikin for the first time? You get other 2 children. Tell your 2 children wey be say you care for. You don't know how much you pay when they take go papa matter for that side. You don't know how much you pay. This one wey you don pay 10 kobo for, then you dey talk now say make e come give you na your pikin, na only one dey bear your name now, na only one go fit give you, because the rest dem no bear your name, so dem no fit give you. You see the way things dey happen. Because normally people wey me know say they do all those kind of things, at least the first one na papa, the second one no dey be papa, e go be the real one. But when e come be say e come be 2 papa different, you understand wetin I dey try to understand me. Why be say you come be like that? Say the two come be another, you understand? Because na one supposed to be, the second one supposed to be you. And now this one now you come dey say because how many years in Europe no doku? So now the only way you go fit take get doku na through this one, and he don already know say the kind doku wey this small pikin get now, once he just go meet security people say na my papa, I stand for am say make dem give am quick dem don give am. Na he dey talk now say make the woman give am. That woman say make he give am for wetin everything wey he don do to am. Okay, let's say as he abandon that boy for Nigeria, she the mother abandon am too. If for see am come dey say he wan find documents, na wetin the mother dey talk. He say he don take him decision. He say but he just wan bring am come out because sometimes if people wey no hear the matter, no hear anything, if he go tell people say I be get woman because say I make mistake, I go born 2 children for outside, those one now they get their own papa matter, the first one wey I get wey be say supposed to give me, mama no gree, to say that woman wicked though, why the woman no go gree give you now? Wetin be doku? Then papa now make he give am, but they no go know amala and the wedu soup when this woman don chop. Sometimes not be say that money be everything. There are some things that you do when be say you go use and show love to somebody. Even outside that, wetin you know say you no fit do to outside, not be somebody wey be say una don share the same thing with, the same everything, una understand me now, una don share things with. You can't be say you can't dey hurt that person. E get as e really be. Now they try to understand me now. Because no be say maybe like say you no get money that time, say maybe at that time my darling I no get to, abeg just bear with me, find money take do, if I get, even though say you can't see get na small thing you can't take support, don't know say you try na money you no get, but so don you tell you I no be my own, I know e no concern me but if you don reach in the evening you see the man will come dey kpekpelo dey come dey tell you say abeg na my pikin na, abeg na. Then if you can't say no, people can't say you be bad person, say why you no want me this man do this thing. For how many years now this man don't get doku? The same pikin wey you abandon 10 years ago, when you abandon for Africa, the same pikin now you dey come meet now say make dem give am phone, na him papa go make he give am paper. I don't know the way some people whether people they try to understand me. So this our sister say he just want talk am just to encourage other men that no matter what, say anything happen between you and woman, anything happen, say una come share garri, that pikin no ever abandon am. Because if you look at 70% of our men, our African men, they do this thing well. Because if you look at, if now white people, they get the kind of support when men they support, but our African men, they no dey quick support. Like now few 70%, even 80%, they know they support the mother again. Now the mother will take the responsibility of everything. Then if the pikin don't grow, they don't say it don't grow, it don't become somebody, they'll come they waka like cats, they can't say abeg now all those kind abeg, I know they want to they hear am. Because you know if you expect say somebody go don't suffer train pikin finish, you just come from nowhere. The pikin don't already know another person as papa. Because the woman don't stay like that, she get husband. That husband don't sacrifice for that pikin. And if the pikin don't ask papa, you go just come from nowhere saying that your blood, that your pikin, make it come do wetin. It's I don't just know me. Don't say me na presenter, maybe me the presenter. Make una judge this matter. How e be for people wey be say that they abandon their pikin. I still dey talk am whether how you take born the pikin, whether maybe you get wife for house, e come be say you waka kpurukere waka for outside, you come go give another woman belle for her side, say that woman no be your wife but you get wife, that pikin no throway am. Make your wife understand say this waka wey you waka kpurukere, see wetin come out for inside, na my blood I no fit throway am. If you dey spend $1 for the one wey dey for house, dey spend 50 kobo for the one wey dey for outside, dey share am. because that one wey dey for house wey you dey feel say na your own, you don train am, when dem dey turn their back for you tomorrow, because person no know pikin wey dey do for person tomorrow. The one wey you no even put your eye say this one, na he go come stand for you tomorrow. I dey use this opportunity dey beg you wey dey watch me now, if you get pikin wey be say you don put for corner, you don leave the mother, make the mother dey train that pikin alone, carry phone now, call that woman, tell the woman say I'm sorry, I want to take my responsibility now. Call her, because you don't know tomorrow. If you be woman, you get pikin wey you don see throway for corner, carry phone, call. You want to take your responsibility, you don't know tomorrow. Because sometimes if you abandon person like that one wey you take as your own, no be say God no go bless am o, but because of that abandon, when you abandon that one, you go dey hinder your that one blessing. You don't know. I don't know whether we dey try to understand wetin I dey talk so. You born pikin, you dey train the way e dey with you now, say na you dey see. Then don't want be say you go waka kpurukere for outside for, you come born that one, or maybe you no waka kpurukere now, that one mama you fit marry, maybe something come happen, na come share garri, you no come dey with the mother again, you come dey with another one. Anyone wey be say you throw away, I'm not talking about the woman, I'm talking about the pikin. Anyone wey be say you throw away, if you throw away that pikin wey be say you no take get that papa love, even though say e no curse you, that pains wey you dey feel, wey be say you go dey see other children father go dey help them, dey carry school bag, dey cater for them, nothing like say my daddy every time my mommy. That pains wey dey that pikin, I'm telling you, that dey feel pains, you will not know. They feel pains, that my nothing like daddy, mommy. That pains when they feel, if they hinder that one when you carry for hand, when you walk, say this one na your own, you dey buy even na earth for am. That blessing of that pikin go dey hinder that one when you carry. E no go make that one get e whole blessing wey be say e supposed to get for life. E no go make that one get am, because our God is not mock. Don't be deceived, because God is not mock. As far as say you know say na your own, take care of your pikin, so that you no go hinder that your pikin wey you feel say na your own be this, na your bone of your bone be this, na your pikin be this, you dey take care of am, so that the blessing of that one no go hinder am. Hinder that one wey dey with you for house, because na wetin dey mostly dey cause am be this. And sometimes there is karma go come enter that pikin body, wey be say pikin wey you train well, in the evening you still say go turn to another thing, e go come even dey against you wey be the father. No be the pikin eye take dey do am, na because say you don already throw away one wey be say that one don dey chop amala with ewedu soup for outside, na him. Even though say you get pikin before, you come marry woman, you love the woman so much, the woman no dey let you dey answer your pikin for house, tell the woman say you better choose your pikin over that woman, because any good woman go make you remember your pikin wey dey outside. So tell the woman say I no fit throw away this my blood, I no fit throw away am. If you know say you no fit stay this house, let am go. If you go, God go give you better wife, because I no see any woman wey be say e go dey house, your pikin wey you don first born, you go say make you no take care of am. The same thing with man too. This one na big lesson to us. I just dey talk this thing, I know why I dey talk am, because I don see, I just use this our sister story take bring up this topic. I don see many men like that wey be say they dey do the same thing. Because if you look me, any woman wey dey love, na that pikin, the woman pikin that they love. If they no love any woman, that woman pikin they no dey love am. But if they love woman, that woman, the pikin that they love pass. But if they no love your mama, they no go love you. It's wrong, because that pikin no beg you say bring me come life. Now you go do wetin you know. So you when go jogodo woman, you no use raincoat, wetin you expect? Anything can happen, and something can happen, you can't leave the pikin when e be say you no know one, no to make all the suffer put. Nature not go agree with you. Nature will never agree with you. So my brothers and sisters, if you know say you get pikin when e be say you know they take care of, you throw me out for corner because say even though say mama cheats, mama do anything, I not say make you go back to the woman or go back to the man. The pikin now they talk to, go back to that pikin, so that your other children go dey okay for life. I just throw this my little words, and I hope many people will understand me. Please share this video, like this video, and comment and leave your comments below. You can just talk about it. This our sister, like I said before, e no too needs opinion like that. E don already take her decision. She don already know wetin she dey do, and her decision wey she take, she tell me, and I agree with her, is the best. But e just say make e tell una, make una know. And my sister, I want to tell you thank you and God bless you for bringing this topic out for people to learn. And I believe this video, even though say na only 2 or 1 person na learn from this video, and carry phone and call your pikin wey e be say you don abandon for years. I thank God for that. And I thank you, my sister, for bringing this story out for people to learn. And God will bless you for your good heart. And God will lift that your son up tomorrow. And that your son, his light will shine like a skylight. Even in the darkness, his light will shine for the world to see. I thank you so much, my sister, and God bless you. And I bless everybody when they watch me right now. God bless you all. Please share this video and leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching. I remain your sister, your friend, your pikin, your girl. Anyone you call me, I did here for you. True Dreams with Lady T. Bye.